welcome to Grammar Lesson 6. We're going to be reviewing sentences today as well as our long and short vowel rules. Let's start off with our rules for our vowels. Remember, if there is one vowel in a word, it usually says it's short sound. We mark it with a smile. So let's read some words. We're going to read this first column here. You read it first, I'll read it after. Bell, mom, pup, 10, sad. Very good. Now what's our, I can't speak. What's our two vowel rule? When there are two vowels in a word, the first one says it's long sound, and the second one is silent, right? So the first one says it's long sound, the second one is silent. Look at my chart here, the second half. Okay, I want you to read the first vowel, the one vowel word and the two vowel word. In the one vowel word, it says it's short sound. In the two vowel word, the first one says it's long sound and the second one is silent. Read it when I point to it, and then I will read to it. Read it. Hop, hope. Pet, Pete. At, 8. Kit, kite. Tub, tube. Very good. Let's review our sentences. Remember, a sentence is any group of words that expresses a complete thought. Starts with a capital letter and has an ending punctuation, usually a period, sometimes something else. There are 4 basic types of sentences, and we've talked about 2 of them. What are they? Interrogative and declarative. Very good. In fact, you should be able to see them already behind me. The first one is declarative. Declarative states. It just makes a statement. Remember, it starts with a capital letter, ends with a period. Interrogative, that asks a question. Interrogative asks. There's an English verb called interrogate. That's something that people like Detective Jim would do. They interrogate a suspect. That means that they ask them a lot of questions to find out the truth. So that's where we get our word interrogative from interrogate, to ask questions. So interrogative would be questions. It's asking something. And just like the declarative, it starts with a capital letter, but unlike the declarative, it ends with a question mark. So it goes around. That's your question mark. Okay, take a look at your exercise page, page 4 of your language. If you don't have that out in front of you now, pause your video and go get it. Think A says, in the blank, write deck if the sentence is declarative. Write int if the sentence is interrogative. Use proofreader's marks, and it has the caret symbol, to add correct punctuation to the end of each sentence. We'll do number 1 verbally together. You fill it in on your paper. Number 1, do you like fruit? Is that asking a question or making a statement? Do you like fruit? That's right, it asks a question. So put int in the blank. Then you need to put a caret at the end and insert which mark of punctuation? That's right, question mark. Very, very good. All right, do numbers 2 through 5 by yourself. Right B says, answer each interrogative sentence below with a declarative sentence. We're going to work through those together. I'm going to write what my answers would be. You can use that as an example, but you have to change it a little bit so you have your own answers. Number 1 says, when is your birthday? So, ¿cuándo es su cumpleaños? When is your birthday? So for number 1, I would say, my birthday is, and then I write the date, July 7th. That's my birthday. A very simple declarative sentence to answer your question, your interrogative sentence. Number 2, what is your name? That's an easy one. My name is Ashley. You can use the very same pattern, but change your own answers because your name's not Ashley. You have lots of different names. We've got Cassandra, we've got Josh, we've got Lindsay, all kinds of names. No, I didn't name everybody in our class because there's 20 of you, but trust me, I know all of your names, and if I could, I'd say them all right now. Okay, number 3, how old are you? I am, all right, I'll tell you. Some of you may already know. 27 years old. Now that's a little different than a lot of you are used to answering in Spanish. We don't say I have 27 years. We say I am 27 years old. And the last one, who is your teacher? Well, you would say, my teacher is Miss Ashley. Okay, so that's how you answer write B. So you need to do the same kinds, but fill in your own answers. And then for remember C, just find the correct answer in that blue box below and write it in the blank. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Love you guys. Bye.